Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. In this video we are going to see about sentence structure. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought and consists of a subject and a predicate. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Okay, so a sentence will have a subject and a predicate. So what is a subject? The person, animal or thing in a sentence performs an action or has an action done to it. So that is called a subject. So in the example, first example, John takes the bus every day. Here the subject is John. Okay, what he is doing, that is what the subject matter. So John is a subject, takes a bus every day. So remaining everything is a predicate. Then next example, food is eaten every day. So food is a subject here. So about food we are talking. So that's a subject. Then predicate. Predicate is the part of a sentence or clause that tells us what the subject does or is. To put it in another way, the predicate is everything that is not the subject. So other than subject, everything is a predicate of the sentence. So in the example, he stole my bike last week. So he is the subject. So he is a subject and stole is a verb. My bike is the object. So everything together it's a predicate. So other than subject, remaining part of the sentence is called predicate. Object. The person or thing affected by the action of the subject. Example, the monkey ate a banana. So the subject or a person is doing an action on the object. So that's what here the monkey is the subject, ate is a verb and a banana is the object. So the action done by the subject on the object. He reads many books. So he is subject, reads is verb, many books is object. Okay. Next is phrase. A group of words that does not have subject and predicate is called a phrase. It's simply a group of words. It won't have a subject or a predicate. So that's a phrase. Phrases act like parts of speech inside clauses. They can act as a nouns, adjectives, adverbs and so on. So group of words will also sometimes act like a noun or adjective or adverb. So example, one fine morning he went to temple. So it's act like a adverb. When he went one fine morning, so it acts like a adverb. So it's a adverbial phrase here. Next is clause. Sentence can be broken down into clauses. Clauses, like any sentence, have a subject and predicate too. So clauses are also similar to sentence, which will also have a subject and a predicate. In the example we have two clauses. You can see the and alone in black and other two in red. So these two are the two clauses. My parents are going to a restaurant. It gives a meaning. It is having a subject here. My parents are the subject. Are going to a restaurant is a predicate. Then next, they will be home late. So they are the subject, will be home late is a predicate. So these are the two clauses in a sentence. So it's together a sentence, but it is two clauses connected by the conjunction and. So the simple diagrammatic way to represent is this one. So words together form phrases. Phrases will form clause and clause will form the sentence. So that's all for this video. Thank you.